What's up guys? Today is day 2 of the Ram build. I'm gonna dismantle the bumpers. I'm gonna take the chrome part off the grill piece behind here. There's a little, hard to see it, but I'll show you here in a second. There's a backing piece to the chrome piece. I'm gonna take that off because that does not get painted. But first, we're gonna swing by Harbor Freight real quick because I need another stand for bumpers, because as you can see, that's stealing it, but I need a couple more anyway, so let's go take a trip. All right, I know you guys probably can barely see me, but I'm gonna take the old cat eye out for a spin. Let's see how this old girl sounds when she first starts up. Pretty good. Yeah, she sounds good. All right, guys, made the Harbor Freight. Let's go on a nice good old journey now. Better grab my phone. Good old Harbor Freight. The real question is, what do you guys think are the odds that they actually have the stuff that I need? Because I tend to have bad luck when it comes to stuff I need last minute. Everything's either sold out or not available. So, let's see here. Ooh, look at that. Ha. They got 2. We got it. Got the 2 stands. Now let's go see what else they got around here. We all know, if you go in Harbor Freight, you can't just go in to buy. So you always have to go walk around. Unlike my wife, whenever we go into Walmart, she has to do the big old, what we call, pretty much a loser lap. You just walk around and see what they have. Deals, maybe not deals. But for me, I really do Harbor Freight or Lowe's or something like that. I always have been curious though, because I haven't tried it yet, but the Black Widow edition on these paint guns, I wonder how well they actually work. I know Kyle's got one. We have to steal his gun to check her out. But I feel like it'd be a cool little gun to do like small stuff, and you don't have to worry about messing up your good gun if you have multiple guns or if you just have one gun. Alright, so as you guys can see here, there's this black piece right here. This is what we're going to disassemble from the chrome, as long as the bottom piece as well. Probably hard for you guys to see, but all it is just little tabs. You pry away and then the chrome will slide out from them. Should be fairly easy to do. Alright, now we're going to tackle the rear bumper. Alright guys, today is day 3. So last night, you guys saw me taking apart this bumper, but all my stuff went dead on me. It was a little chilly and I was not paying attention. I was more or less worried about this and not to the stuff that's on the camera. The DJI died, the actual thing on the camera died, and then this died, and then shortly after the camera died. So I think my footage is on the camera still, maybe, hopefully. If not, I will make something work, and then if I have to, I will explain more when I put it all back together. But rear bumper is disassembled, stripped of plastic pieces. Now I'm going to take the front bumper and dismantle that and take you guys along for the journey of that one. So let's get to it. All right guys, front bumper's up here ready to disassemble. We're gonna start off by the bumper brackets. We're gonna disassemble them, and then we're gonna work our way to the other stuff. All right, next I'm gonna take off this upper deflector, excuse me, along with this piece, which essentially it's almost like all is one, even though there's a clip separating them too. And then I'll go ahead and take this bracket and the harness. This truck was sitting on the lot for so long. I don't know if you guys can see it. There's literally a wasp nest building by the fog light. It's pretty crazy. Last couple pieces, grill, and the fog light bezels, or lower grill, fog light bezels. All right guys, we're going to Advance to pick up some sandpaper. Their Advance and CarQuest is combined, so that's where I get all my auto body supplies. So if you wonder why it's Advance, it's just how they have it here. Unfortunately, I wish there was an actual shop to where you could just go in and get all your automotive auto body needs, but not.
I'm just jumping in randomly because I just got back from Virginia, but Aaron just got offered a job at Advanced. He's pretty much here all the time where they're like, you know where it's at.
All right guys, next I'm gonna start prepping the front bumper. First I'm gonna go over it with some prep all. As you can see, get rid of all the dirt and all that stuff on the bumper right now before I actually start sanding it. As I said before, prep is very important. So before I start sanding all that debris and stuff into the bumper, I'm gonna try to wipe a lot of it off. I'm also going to start off with a 6-inch orbital sander, air, or whatever you guys have. I have air, but and some 120. You can start lower, 80. You really don't want to go. You don't want to start real fine because you want to be able to get aggressive on this bumper. But also, you also got to be able to sand out your scratches. So I'll start at 120, expect my happy medium, and I'll probably go up to about 220, and then I'll prime it. And I'll go from there. All right, y'all, the weather has finally got warm enough so I can do some painting. So I got the bumpers wrapped up, as you can see, but that's all I'm gonna show you for now. Stay tuned for the next build video of this Ram, and you guys can see it start assembling and all that good stuff. Be sure to like, subscribe, whatever you gotta do. Stay tuned. See y'all.